Hello friends, welcome to Department of Plant Pathology, KDSP Agriculture College Nasik. In previous lecture, we have studied Pocca-boing disease of sugarcane, its causal organism, its symptomatology and its management. Now today, we will see ratoon stunting disease of sugarcane. RSD or ratoon stunting is one of the bacterial disease and its causal organism is Lipsonia xylem or Clavibacter xylem pathover xylem. This is xylem limited fastidious bacteria. This disease is present throughout the sugarcane growing areas of all over the country. CO419 variety was worst affected in parts of Karnataka where it was withdrawn from cultivation. So in history there was one epidemic of this disease and CO419 variety is most susceptible to this ratoon stunting disease. This disease appears in both plant and all ratoon crops also, but more pronounced in ratoon crops. So that's why it is called as ratoon stunting disease. The major character of this bacteria is this bacteria limited only inside the xylem tissues and called as fastidious bacteria because it can only live inside the xylem tissues, not all over the plant parts. So that's why it is called as fastidious bacteria. And they are very small, thin, rod shaped, or some may be corniform. If you see the symptoms of this ratoon stunting disease, you will find that the disease clumps usually display stunted growth. Then reduced tillering is most of the prominent symptom. Then thin stalks with shortened internode and yellowish foliage, as you can see in the image. There is a tillering, excessive tillering and reduced tillering is observed. Then stalk should be thin, internode should be shortened and all the foliage should be yellow color. So this is one of the mild chlorosis. When mature canes are split, then you can see the vascular bundles that may be disappear or it may be discolored. In young canes, pink colors were seen in the form of minute pinhead-like areas near the nodes. The this disease causes reduction in sugar, reduction in length, girth, and number of canes also. So this is one of the devastating pathogen. This disease spreads through use of diseased states. The disease also spread through cane harvesting implements, contaminated tools that contaminated with juice of diseased cane. Some crops like maize, sorghum, Sudan grass, cynodon, these are some collateral hosts of this RSD pathogen. For management of this ratoon stunting disease, it is very difficult to manage. We cannot cure this disease after infection. We can only avoid this disease by using some measures like use of disease-free seeds, or the seeds should be obtained from disease-free field and plants also. Then after the minute infection, all infected plant parts should be removed and burn all the clumps outside the field. Then sterilization of cutting knives with Lysol or any other antiseptic solution, as we have seen that these tools are responsible for transmission of this disease. Similarly, hot air treatment is also effective for controlling this disease. For that, seeds should be treated at 54 degrees Celsius. For hot water treatment should be done at 52 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. These are some methods that we can apply to manage this disease. Thanks for watching this video.